One of the most requested features lately for the program has been to make the converted videos, whether converting to horizontal or video, just look a little bit better rather than just having the black bars on the sides. So I dropped a feature into the program with the newest release 2.0, which also has a facelift to it, making the program itself look a little bit better. But I'm going to show you how it works. It's basically blurring the background so it makes it just look a little bit nicer. So let's get into the program here. Here's the program. So the way you'll set this up, you'll go to settings here. And then from settings, you'll click on your automation here and scroll all the way down. Go to your conversion settings. So if you're converting vertical to horizontal, you'll check that on. And if you're converting horizontal to video, horizontal to vertical, if they're under 3 minutes, you'll check that on. So by default, you got the black bars, and that's going to be the fastest method. Keep in mind, any kind of conversions or additions that you do is going to make the process take a lot longer because it's literally editing the video for you. And anybody who knows that you're editing video knows that it takes processor power, it takes time to render those files and these kinds of things. But if you do want your videos to look nicer, rather than just having the black bars on the sides when you convert them, you check on this spot here. It says blurred background. And it's going to fill the frame, the rest of the frame, the part that usually would just have the black bars, with a blurred duplicate. So it's going to enlarge it, blur it, and then have that in the background. So click Save Settings, and then we're going to go ahead and run it and show how the process works. Of course, it's just going to go through the process as usual. It's going to put stuff in the background. Here, I'm going to go ahead and check this on here. It's going to scan your hub, and then eventually you'll get to the spot where it actually converts it. So you'll see that. Let's fast forward to that point. All right, we're back. All right, now it's downloading the video from Amazon. Then after it downloads the video, it starts the conversion process, both converting it to vertical because that was a horizontal video, or if it was a vertical video that you had, it would have then at this point converted to horizontal. And it says adding black bars, but what it's actually doing is adding whatever method you chose to do. Maybe I'll update that and make it a little bit more clear. Just basically converting to vertical and adding either the blurred background or the black bars. So, and it does take some time. So it's not, like I said, it's not immediate because any kind of video editing is going to take some time. So that progress bar should give you an idea of how long it will take. As you can see, it's already up to 3.5 minutes in terms of how long it's been running so far. The first minute or so is just gathering the data from Amazon. But the rest of this is, downloading the file, converting the file. So it does take some time. It's going to add some extra time to the upload process. But once again, it's time that you don't have to sit here and watch it. So if you have it just working in the background or you're making other videos at the same time, just does all this automatically. And if it's something that you typically would do yourself manually, then it's certainly saving you that extra time as well. You're not having to actually edit the video yourself, but this will just take care of it for you. So hopefully that saves you time and adds value to your YouTube channel. All right, so that's finished the process, and now it's actually uploading to YouTube. As you can see, it's taking a lot longer. It's 12.5 minutes in now. So it took basically about 11 minutes or so to actually convert that file. So just keep that in mind. Any kind of extra conversions or additions that you do to the file itself, it's going to take a lot longer to complete the process. But now it says it is done, so let's go ahead and check it out on the YouTube channel itself. All right, here it is on my YouTube channel, and as you can see, it's a vertical because it used to be a horizontal here, and it's converted it to vertical, and you can see the blurred background at the top of the bottom instead of just the black bars. So if that's the look you're going for, then you have the option to do that now. Like I said, it does take a lot more processing power, a lot longer for it to happen. But if you're not sitting there at your computer anyway, if you're running it overnight, if you're just doing other things, then hopefully that's adding value to your YouTube channel. Now, for converting to vertical, probably doesn't matter all that much. But if you're converting to horizontal, these little kind of details really can help make your videos seem more professional, and therefore people are more likely to trust you, and therefore also more likely to buy from you. So if that's what you're trying to do, I wouldn't worry about it if your computer just really can't handle it. Keep the black bars, it's fine. But if you want to add that little nice touch of professionalism to some of your videos that you've converted to horizontal, then this option is available for you now too. So hope that helps. Let me know if you're running into any problems with that. But if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.